Hey there, survivalists! Ever been in a tight spot and wished you had that one perfect gadget to get you out of it? Well, today's all about being prepared for anything. We're diving into 16 survival gadgets that every man, and honestly, everyone, should have in their arsenal. Whether you're out in the wild or facing unexpected challenges, these tools are game changers. So fellas, gear up, hit that like button, and let's embark on this journey to ultimate readiness together. Venturing into the great outdoors is a privilege many of us yearn for, especially in today's circumstances. As we anticipate our return to nature, it's imperative we do so responsibly, cherishing and safeguarding its wonders. The A1R powered outdoor gear, originally crafted for seasoned adventurers, is also novice-friendly, aiming to ignite a passion for the wild. This gadget ensures a serene hiking or camping experience by equipping users with vital tools that address unexpected challenges. Imagine being stranded in the woods, armed only with a nearly drained phone, map, and compass. Daunting, right? A 1R comes to the rescue, serving as a sustainable, weather-resistant lifeline powered by the renewable forces of air and wind. This versatile device functions as a navigator, power bank, tracker, purifier for water, snow, and salt water, and an emergency beacon. Think of it as an eco-friendly guardian angel for outdoor enthusiasts. The EST Gear Survival Shovel stands as a pinnacle in tactical entrenching tools, offering an impressive 18-in-1 multi-functionality tailored for camping. Dubbed the world's most capable adventure tool, it's designed with the insights of seasoned campers, ensuring that it carries every vital tool one might need during an expedition. Its construction from high-grade materials guarantees not just effectiveness, but also enduring reliability, ensuring that whenever you need it, the shovel is ready to perform consistently. The high limb saw provides a solution for safely trimming elevated branches without the need to climb. Its unique handle, with a patent-pending weighted design, helps users effortlessly sling the rope over branches. This saw features a dual-direction chain blade, allowing cuts during both pulling actions, optimizing efficiency. Linked with two robust 20-foot segments of 300 lb strength paracord, it ensures durability during tasks. After use, the saw can be stowed in an included pouch which attaches to a belt. This tool is ideal for property maintenance, preparing for hunting season by setting up tree stands and clearing shooting paths, or post-storm cleanup activities. The Infinite Air is a testament to advanced engineering, serving as a robust and multifunctional power solution. Primarily tailored for 18-volt devices, it's adaptable enough to power 5 volts and 12 volts devices, without the need for extra cables. Whether you're venturing off-grid or need a reliable power source on the go, the IA-18 ensures your devices remain charged. Its durability is attributed to its aluminum structure, guaranteeing stability in all conditions. User experience is enhanced with its easy setup, and carrying it is a breeze. Weighing a total of 3.2 kilograms and standing at 100 centimeters, it operates optimally between wind speeds of Beaufort force 3 and 8. It can yield up to 27 watts at 18 volts, providing outputs of 5 volts, 12 volts, and 18 volts. Notably, it's water-resistant with an IP65 rating and operates between temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Its automatic sensing technology, coupled with soft-tip luminous safety blades, adds an extra layer of safety. Setting it up requires no tools, taking only 5 minutes, and its 360-degree rotating head enhances its functionality. Moreover, its compact and portable design, combined with lightweight strength and unique safety blade technology, makes it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Lifesystems reusable hand warmers are the ideal solution for chilly days. With just a simple click of the embedded metal discs, they provide instant warmth, perfect for stashing in gloves or coat pockets during icy weather. As the metal discs are activated, the encompassed gel starts to crystallize, immediately generating heat. For maximum warmth, give the gel a light massage, ensuring thorough crystallization. Each use provides up to 45 minutes of heat, reaching temperatures of approximately 54 degrees Celsius. Beyond their effectiveness, these hand warmers are designed for sustainability. They're reusable. If you're frequently on the move and don't let the cold deter you, simply boil them in a pan to revert the pouches back to their gel state, and they're ready for the next use. The Flashtorch is hailed as the brightest flashlight in the world, crafted by renowned laser experts. This compact, handheld searchlight delivers a staggering 12,000 lumens of intense white illumination. Whether you need to light your path, ignite a fire, or melt metal, it's versatile enough to handle it. Constructed from military-grade anodized aluminum, its resilience stands up to the toughest conditions. The flashlight also features a heat-resistant lens and reflector, shaping the light into either a broad floodlight or a focused searchlight. Plus, its halogen lamp boasts an impressive life cycle of 400 cycles, reinforcing its dependability. On the power front, the Flashtorch leverages advanced lithium technology, ensuring it's lighter and lasts longer. With 3 power settings, users can adjust the brightness based on their requirements. Charging is hassle-free. There's no need to remove the battery. Additionally, its automatic lockout mode eliminates unintentional activations. Each unit comes equipped with a battery and charger. The Flame Cube is your compact and portable solution for outdoor cooking, about the size of an apple, ensuring it occupies minimal space in your backpack. Setting it up is a breeze. Just unfold its grate, extend the blue control module, and it locks in place. There's no need for tools, making disassembly and cleaning straightforward. The touch switch enables intelligent control with 3 air speeds: grill, boil, and turbo, with an LED indicator for power level and speed. Beyond just a stove, the Flame Cube serves multiple purposes. It's a heat generator and a power bank with a 2500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. You can charge USB devices with it, and it even harnesses thermal power generation to recharge itself. Its efficiency is showcased in its pneumatic optimization, dual fan design, and use of eco-friendly biomass fuel, eliminating the need to carry additional fuel. Safe, environmentally friendly, and limitless, Flame Cube is the outdoor companion you didn't know you needed. The Bugy Compass is a trailblazer's essential. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand, this 360-degree floating compass is available in durable brass and titanium. Easily accessible on a keychain, it's perfect for GPS-free zones. Waterproof and sand-resistant, the Bugeye has a liquid-filled globe offering accurate readings from any angle. The top for map orientation, and the side for directional sighting. While handy in emergencies as a backup to GPS, its dual display, the top card for cardinal points, and the side for direction of travel, makes navigation intuitive. An ideal blend of tradition and modern design, the Bugeye ensures you always stay on course. This unique EDC tactical wallet stands out as the only one in the world to feature a built-in 150-lumen USB rechargeable LED flashlight. But it doesn't stop there. It also comes equipped with a screwdriver, a carbide tip designed specifically for breaking glass, a carabiner attachment point, and a money clip that doubles as a bottle cap opener. Crafted meticulously from stainless steel, aluminum, and nylon, this wallet ensures your card's safety with RFID protection. Truly a multi-purpose tool for the modern individual. GoFindMe is an innovative GPS tracker that functions without the necessity of cellular service. Its integrated GPS combined with long-range radio technology ensures continuous connectivity, even when phones fail, eliminating the need for cellular networks and avoiding any subscription or monthly fees. Key features include real-time location tracking, off-grid text and voice messaging capabilities, an emergency one-button SOS, automatic trace recording, synchronization of group activities, the ability to set a safe zone, marking of pivotal locations such as meeting points, and the utilization of mesh networking for enhanced connectivity. SealSkins offers 100% waterproof, windproof, and breathable socks tailor-made for a diverse range of outdoor activities. These meticulously designed socks ensure your feet remain warm, dry, and cozy no matter the conditions. Catering to varying needs, they are available in 3 different thickness levels and 4 lengths. Whether you're walking, hiking, cycling, mountain biking, or engaging in water sports, SealSkins has the perfect sock to enhance your outdoor experience. The Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman is a versatile tool, tailored for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with a full-tang stainless steel axe blade, it ensures durability and precision. Complementing its robustness is a polymer handle that cleverly doubles as storage for the 2 rugged wood saw blades included. Setting up or dismantling a campsite? This Woodsman tool features a heavy-duty tent stake mallet and a steel tent stake puller. What sets it apart is the patented tension compensator, guaranteeing optimal tension for the saw blade. The dual-function cover serves as both a saw handle and a safety sheath, emphasizing functionality without compromising safety. The Thor Pendant is a blend of artistry and cutting-edge technology, meticulously crafted with CNC machines for precision. Made from the highest grade of titanium, Titanium Grade 5, it guarantees top-tier quality and corrosion resistance. Its design is a masterclass in discretion, as the survival tools are ingeniously concealed inside, ensuring a sleek exterior. Despite its myriad features, it's remarkably lightweight and designed to endure. The fiery sparks of thunder it evokes isn't just a design element, but a nod to the legend it's named after. Its sturdy design ensures that no components will detach unintentionally. Each purchase is accompanied by tracked shipping, ensuring your pendant reaches you safely. The package includes a premium box, the Thor Asgardian Titanium Pendant in a striking black plasma color coating, a fire starter flint, and a Mjolnir Ti scraper for ignition, though using the pendant directly might cause scratches. Additionally, it comes with a fabric envelope for the accessories, a certificate of authenticity, and a cleaning cloth. The Surviveware waterproof duct tape is a heavy-duty essential tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Engineered to be both waterproof and rugged, this tape is indispensable for a range of outdoor activities such as camping. It's designed not only to mend tents, tarps, and other gear, but also for crafting cordage, butterfly bandages, arm slings, and even an emergency drinking vessel. Despite its durability, the tape boasts easy tear technology, eliminating the need for scissors or knives. Its 2-inch width is travel-friendly, ensuring it occupies minimal space in your backpack, making it a must-have for every camping journey. Moreover, its waterproof nature means you're always prepared, come rain or shine, ensuring your equipment stays dry and functional. The LifeStraw Peak Series Straw is your reliable companion for clean drinking water wherever you venture. Whether you're hydrating directly from natural water sources like lakes, rivers, and streams, or from a filled container, this straw water filter assures protection against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, as well as impurities like silt, sand, and cloudiness. Its enhanced microfilter system minimizes clogging, ensuring a consistent flow rate, especially in sandy or silty waters. The Camillis Carnivore X 18 inches Machete is not just a blade, it's an all-in-one tool designed for various outdoor tasks. Its 12 inches titanium bonded blade ensures durability, being up to 3x harder than regular steel, and maintains its sharpness longer. Beyond cutting, this machete can dig, saw, chisel, and gut, catering to a wide range of needs. It comes with a ballistic nylon sheath for protection and a separate removable trimming knife with its sheath. Whether you're hunting, camping, hiking, or exploring, the Carnivore X stands out in versatility among Camillus products. And that's a wrap, survivalists! From the compact lifesavers to the rugged essentials, these 16 gadgets are the epitome of being prepared for the unexpected. Now, whether you're an adventurer at heart Or just want to be ready for any curveball? I bet there's something here you'll want to add to your kit. Share in the comments which gadget caught your eye the most. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it amped up your survival game. And, of course, subscribe for more top-tier gear rundowns. Stay safe, stay prepared, and catch you in the next one.